Hey guys, so welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix Chrome auto lag out in Windows 11. So if this ever happened to you guys, what you could try to do is just simply resetting some data into your Google Chrome. So to do this, you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here, you could just simply go through the settings at the bottom. Now, here guys, you could just simply go to the left side of the screen and you should be able to see here privacy and security. Now, here, you could just simply go for the delete browsing data. So guys, the two important things on these checks is this two over here, cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. Now from here, select more on the top right corner and select all time over here, and mostly deleting this data can fix the issue. Now guys, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is making sure you are running the latest version of the Chrome, because outdated Chrome can cause this issue. So to do this, select the three dots over here and select help. And now over here, you could just simply go for the about Google Chrome. And as you can see, my Chrome is up to date. And now guys, if you have an update over here, you should be able to see it and make sure you are running the latest version of the Chrome. So guys, there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.